Snoring means less oxygen to throat and head area. Adi Mudra can help to increase oxygen level in this area. So let's understand how to practice Adi Mudra. Thumb should be touched to your bottom of little finger, close by other finger. Do it with both sides. 15 to 20 minutes in morning and 15 to 20 minutes in evening as well. We can do practice while watching TV, walking or laying down as well. Good luck to your partner and your neighbor for sleep well. Namaskar.